It's complete. Hare Krishna. Welcome you all to 18 days Bhagavad Gita course. And this is what? This is the level 1 course. And as every day I say, we have different levels. Level 2, level 3, we keep adding. So this is only an 18 days course. From level 2, it's only 2 days course. Level 3 will be only 1 day course. 1 day, once in a week. So more intense becomes, you get more time for reflecting on it, and it will become little more serious, and you'll really know what is Bhagavad Gita is all about. So with all this we learn from ISKCON and here we have come to the temple, Sri Radha Govinda temple, and we chanted like 108. Those who attended, well and good. Those who have missed that chanting can just recite 18 times. I'm going to say you all can do it in mute button. But doing japa is very important. That importance is given in today's slides. We will go through that also. And it's a big, very big, lengthy slides today. So bear with me till 4:30. This class will go, and maybe more than that. I'll try to finish by 4:30 because I have another class at 4:30. Okay, Hare Krishna. So 18 times हम japa करेंगे. You all can say it in mute in your at your home. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. So let us pray the Lord, first of all, barabar internet connection hona chahiye. There should not be any power drop. And then our health should be okay. Everybody should be, comfortable attending this all the 18 days. And today, those who have come, let us concentrate on whatever is taught today, whatever is Gita is, Bhagavan is saying in this chapter, and we'll proceed. Yeah, Pranati, whoever wants to take, in case you people are comfortable, can raise hand. Otherwise, I will take, as usual, I will take. It's not that this is not my platform at all. I'm just, to guide you. So in case you get confidence, you can take. I mean, you should be taking, but this is your platform. But till now, be not used to. So you can take some more time. So nice. Shiv Kumar Biradar Prabhuji. Yes, you can take up. Pranati, you want better? Yeah, you can unmute Prabhuji. Very nice.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Adnanati Mirandasya Jnananjanaya Chalakaya Chakshurunalitamena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Manavishtam Stapitam Mena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mayam Dadati Swa Padakam.
Yeah.
Hare Sri Guru Sri Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavacha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Saha Gana Raghunatham Tam Sa Jivam Sadavitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna पादम सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखा वेतम च हे कृष्ण दीन हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिकांत राधाकांत नमस्ते तप्त कांचन गौरांग राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभान सुते देवी प्रणमामि नमो नमः
Hari Priye.
हरे प्रिय
Vanchakalpatarubhyascha.
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नमो ब्रह्मण्य देवन्य गो ब्राह्मण हिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः नमो
Danyaya.
नमो नमः वदनाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदाय
Pradayate.
तदाय च कृष्ण कृष्णमय कृष्ण चैतन्य नन्हे गौर
Krishna Namaha.
तुते
Namaha.
नमः
Gurave.
गुरुवे गौर चंद्राय
Namadikaya Tadale.
आदित्याय तदा च
Very nice. Krishna. Krishna Bhaktaya.
कृष्ण भक्ताय तद भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो विष्णु पादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिने नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवाहिनी पाश्चात्य देश तरिणी
Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam.
तत्वं भक्त रूप सरस्वते
Bhaktavataram. Bhaktakyam.
भक्तावतारं भक्तम
Nama.
नमो भक्त
Vikam.
संकीर्तन जय हो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण माता जी
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Very nice, Prabhuji. Very well read and very nicely you recited. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Yes. So we'll go to the Understand Bhagavad Gita in 18 days. And what is the chapter we are going to take up today? 6th chapter. Dhyana Yoga. Okay. So how to, what Dhyan means, what Dhyan karna, but simple. You have to just concentrate on the Lord and do all your work and other stuff. So, okay. So this is all based on the teachings of His Divine Grace, Abhay Charan, Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness. So, and what did we learn to yesterday? Chapter 5, Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Arjuna's confusion. He had confusion. Should I renounce work? Means I have to pray you, I have to worship you. Then what should I do? I have to not do any other thing, just sit in meditative pose and just keep, reciting your name or japa and all that. Or should I work with devotion? I should do all my work, but with the thought of, Krishna is there behind me. Krishna is there. So just money, man mein, like, Krishna ko like, just pray him and do all your work. Should I do that or renounce all the work and only pray him? So then Krishna answers, he said, performing Nishkama Karma Yoga is better. What is a Nishkama Karma Yoga? There are two factors. One is Sakama, the other one is Nishkama. Sakama is doing work for ourselves, eating for us. I like something to eat, I make it, I eat. I would like to, buy something, I like it, I buy and I use it. It is all I will be there, that I factor. But whereas in Nishkama Karma Yoga, I'm doing everything for the Lord. I'm doing, even this japa I'm doing to please Him. So you will only know, oh no, ek japa nahi, one more japa let me do, one not take, because He becomes happy. Krishna will become happy. More I take His name, He will become happy. Whatever I do in my my life, but I should first offer my obeisances. I should think of Him and just say, He be with me forever. Krishna ko aise bolna ki just you be with me. So He will see to it that He doesn't give us any trouble. But Krishna is going to be with us. So like we saw in the first chapter only, along with Pandava, there were only 5 people, 5 Pandavas, but there was in the righteous part, and there were many indications that they will win. One is Rishikesha. Krishna himself is there. So we should always pray for that. Let him be with us. Let Krishna be with us, and he will see to it that we succeed in all the parts of it. So that is how Nishkama Karma Yoga is. Do any karma, do any action with Lord in mind and offer all the results to him. Anything we get, it can be 5 times attempt, 6 times attempt, many times attempts. But if you don't succeed, no problem. That is what Krishna's wish. But I will keep, redoing again and again and again. So that is how we have to. And that helps us to helps us what? It frees from all our this bondages. What is bondages? Getting punya or getting papa, both are bondage. Even punya is not a good thing, because we will be born again in this. After completing all our punya karma, the effect of all punya karma will get over. And what is our fate? We have to again be reborn here. What about papa? Same thing. People who go to jail, they complete their sentences, they come out, they again come back to their house. Same way, we will also finish all our papa karma ka jo bhi pap will go to the lowest part of the atala vital sutal patal and finish all our that reactions of our bad karma, and again we have to come to this world for we'll take a rebirth. That is what we don't want to be. We need to go to Goloka Vrindavan. We need to go to God's abode. So that bondage will not be there when you do any act, all the acts, not any, all the acts thinking of the Lord. Then liberation by focusing on the Supreme. You get moksha, you get liberated when you keep total focus on the Lord. Then the peace formula. This is what we learned yesterday. What is peace formula? That Krishna is the controller. He's a supreme. He's a Ishwar, Maha Ishwar, and he's good. He's a friendly, friend of all living entities. And Nyatwamam Shantim Ruchati. Once you know all this, you get Shanti. That is what we learned yesterday. We concluded that way. That is the peace formula. And today, what are we going to learn? Description about Ashtanga Yoga. Now, what is Ashtanga Yoga? That is what we are going to see. All these days we saw Karma Yoga. Now, in between from 7, that is from tomorrow till 12, we'll be seeing this Bhakti Yoga, how to do Bhakti. And from 13 to end, there are 3 parts. Then 13 to end is Jnana Yoga. But that is not very important, because right from day 1, though it is Karma Yoga, you are applying your mind, you are applying your Bhakti also. Without Bhakti, any Karma you do, it is of no use. Even knowledge, from 13 to 18 is Jnana Yoga. Jnana means what? Gaining knowledge. But without Bhakti, you gain knowledge, it is of no use. It is only like certificate course. You just learn all these codes and all that, whatever computer or some course you do, just for the sake of getting marks, you do it, you get marks and you get certificate. This course is not that. This is, you have to understand. So you need to have bhakti, then only. So all the yoga will have bhakti in that, because yoga itself is yunjate iti yoga. And then description of, now in this we will be talking about Ashtanga Yoga. Then Arjuna rejects the practice of Ashtanga Yoga. He finds this Ashtanga Yoga is very difficult to practice. So he's rejecting that. Why? We will see inside. Why is Bhakti Yoga the highest stage of yoga? That also we will see. Because it is like going in an elevator. Bhakti Yoga is right from day 1. You're taught, just think he is our God. Just do Bhakti. That's all. We will quickly reach his abode. So it is like going in an elevator than going by steps. And in the steps, when you climb and go, you'll almost half the way, you will be tired and you feel enough. You lose interest also. That is what the other, yogas and all, other this karmis and karma yogas and all will take that way. It will take a lot of time, the Advaitic principle and all. Then you get bored sometimes. Then you don't show any bhakti and all. But ours is not there, right from day 1, bhakti. So you can find that improvement in our own self. You'll find all positive things happening around you. It's not magic, something, boom, 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 you get something good. No, because of your good actions, your way of looking at things in a better way, you find everything happening good around you. Everything will be positive. So that is how Bhakti Yoga helps us. Why is Bhakti Yoga the highest stage of yoga? The answer is also given. 1 minute, I'll just have a quick look in. Yeah, well, try. Anybody? Soumya. Okay. Whoever has joined new can put their numbers. Okay, your name and contact number you put, your mobile number. So I will mark your presence. That in between I have to remember to say, because there's no admin for me. Okay, now we will be talking of all yoga. Okay, so there are people who do, put their head down and Ardha circle, what is that? Ardha Chakrasan. Whoever knows in our class, if anybody is very conversant with yoga, they will understand what is Chakrasan, what is Shitsasan, what is Pranayama and all that. So this is talking about yoga only basically. And one person is already almost put his head down on the ground, so how will he be, breathing? But then he shows that, he's still alive. He can do all this. These are all only magical show type, He's showing his power. See what I can do. That's all. This is not yoga. Yoga means what? Yunjate. You need to get connected to the God. Will he be getting connected to God? You just wait. Oh, how many people have come? Have they put money or no? Enough. Now 2 hours I did this. Now let me check how much money I collected. This is what is, back of his mind. This will be going on. So is this yoga? This is not yoga. Or this is yoga. Shirsasana. This is also not yoga. Or this is yoga, so one hand down, one leg down, and like this. This you can name it as balancing act. Name it as balancing act, yes. Then you will really